When you're knitting in the round on circular needles, you need to join your stitches to make a circle, and I'm going to show you how I like to do that using a crossed stitch method. The first thing to do is to make sure that your stitches are straight on the needles. So you can see here that the bottom of the stitch is facing the center all the way around. And what I mean by straight, you can see if I show you here where they're not straight, there's a twist in the stitches, and if you cast on leaving that twist there, your work will twist, and that will cause a lot of problems in your knitting. So first you check that your stitches are straight, and then you're ready to join them at the starting edge. How I like to do this is I take the stitch on the left hand needle and bring it to the right, and then I take what was the first stitch on the right hand needle and bring it over the top and onto the left needle. I'm pulling my yarn tail out the way. Pull that stitch, pull your working yarn tight before you start knitting, and you're actually going to knit back into that same stitch. And then work your way around the circle, knitting each stitch from the right onto the left, and they'll keep moving around the needle. When you get back to this starting point, you'll find that this first stitch that hasn't yet been knit is a little bit tight, but just wiggle your needle in there and knit through it, and then you can keep working comfortably in the round, and you end up with a nice tight join over here, no funny loops, and you can use the tail as an end of round marker, or you can put a stitch marker in here to show you where your end of round is.